Hey guys, so basically I filmed this whole video. It's about like 2 hours of footage, took 2 hours of my time, and my microphone was not plugged in. So great. So there's no audio, and I decided that I don't want to waste all this footage because I just think it was such a great video. I'm going to do a voiceover. Let's hope this goes well. So basically this is just my intro. I'm telling you guys what I'm going to do, and I say Happy New Year. I try to show you guys my phone and to show you guys that it's January 2nd, but doesn't seem to focus, so let's just, try to skip that. Nope, still trying. Anyways, whatever. January 2nd, and I'm telling you guys that I'm going to be cleaning / redoing my closet. I'm also telling you guys that I rearranged my room, and if you want to see a room tour, to let me know down below in the comments. I honestly have no idea what I was talking about, but let's just get started with the video. So here is the before of my closet. It is super messy and it's just filled with art supplies and like tons of old stuff that I haven't gone through in a long time. It has a lot of clay stuff because I used to be interested in making clay sculptures. So hopefully I get rid of a lot of things. Well, I did because I already know, but whatever. Again, I really don't know what I was talking about, but here's a time lapse of me just cleaning out the bottom portion of my closet. At this point, I had cleaned out the bottom section and I filled up a trash bag of trash, and I've moved the storage container that was over there to out of the closet so I can go through that. I also started a bag of things that I was going to donate to Goodwill. Next, I just went through the storage container and I got rid of a lot of things and a lot of craft stuff that I really just didn't need anymore. And I was going to donate this to Goodwill, but since it was stained and dirty, I decided not to. Honestly, at this point, it was really hard to get rid of everything because I spent so much time and money with all my clay stuff, and it was kind of just sad to get rid of everything. Also, I finished with the white bin or the white organizer, and I've moved on to this gray container. The next thing I started working on was the top part of my closet. This is a lot of old yearbooks and pictures and memories and stuff, so I didn't necessarily want to delete throw away a lot of this stuff, but I had to find somewhere to put it. I found this disgusting nail polish. It literally was black on the top. I don't know how long it's been in my closet, but it was just so disgusting. Okay, so I finished the top part of my closet. I just left trophies there because I didn't really know what to do with them, and I think that they were just fine there. At this point, I had 2 trash bags filled with trash. My desk was covered with stuff that I wanted to keep. I had a thing for Goodwill, and I had these storage containers that I needed to get rid of. So I had taken the trash bags out to the trash, and I've gotten the storage container from my mom, and I was just going to fill it up with all of the stuff that I decided to keep. So now I've gone through everything on the left side of my closet, and I started working on the right side at the top. I just got rid of tons of bags that I really just didn't want, and I threw stuff away, and I just saved the bags that I did want. This was supposed to be my great outro where I explain the whole process of me transforming my closet, but obviously I don't remember what I talked about, but I'm going to show you the big reveal. La mer. La mer. think it looks a lot better, and I'm definitely happy with how it turned out. Sorry for the short outro, but this is all I have for this video, and if you guys liked it, give it a big thumbs up, and I will see you guys in my next video.